You're not just addicted to porn, you're addicted to stimulation, can't eat without a video, can't sit without scrolling. You call it boredom, it's withdrawal. Your brain has been hijacked by a drug you don't even call a drug. This is not a warning, this is war. In the next 3 minutes, they'll break the addiction in your mind not by shouting at you, but by showing you how your brain works against you. Your brain runs on dopamine. It's a chemical that makes you feel good when you accomplish something, win a game, finish a task, hug someone you love. But porn, TikTok, sugar, games, they short-circuit that system. They spike dopamine without effort, and when you get it too fast, too often, the brain reacts. It lowers your baseline. Now, everyday life, boring, books, unbearable, a walk, torture. So what do? You chase another spike, again, and again, and again, but every spike comes with a crash, and that crash is where the depression lives. Here's why you keep going back. You've wired your brain to expect pleasure with zero pain, and the second discomfort appears you check out. It's not your willpower, it's your identity. When the urge hits, it feels like survival, but it's not. It's false data. You think, I'll just do it one more time, but your brain doesn't count numbers, it counts habits. And every time you give in, you vote for the addict version of you. Number 1, admit that you are addicted. Not because you're weak, because you're human, no shame, just awareness. Number 2, replace the dopamine, don't just remove porn. Replace it, go for a walk, read 1 page, cold shower, small actions, slow dopamine. Number 3, don't fight urges, observe them. When the urge hits, don't scream no. That gives it power, watch it like a cloud passing by, name it, craving, breathe, it fades. Number 4, ritual, not willpower. You don't rise to your motivation, you fall to your systems, make relapse hard. Use blockers, change routines, cut triggers. Number 5, obsession beats addiction. You can't kill desire with emptiness. You need a new obsession, fitness, business, creation, something to chase, something real. Make it your identity. Number 7, redefine yourself. You're not a porn addict. You're someone who doesn't watch it anymore. Identity is stronger than habits. Number 7, forgive relapses, honor progress. You will slip, that's okay. The only failure is staying down. Every day clean is a win, stack them. Change isn't easy, but neither is being addicted, alone, and lost. Choose your pain. If this gave you clarity, subscribe. Not for me, for the version of you that deserves better. I am L. Peace.